Everybody says drink more water. Almost nobody can tell you if they actually did. The hydration tracker fixes that. It's a simple workbook you own for Excel, Google Sheets, or LibreOffice that turns one number a day into a streak you can see. You start on the Setup tab, pick your unit, cups, ounces, liters, or milliliters, and type a daily goal. That's it. The whole workbook reads those two settings and follows along. New to this, there's a built-in starting point guide and a conversion table, clearly marked as general information, not medical advice. Each day, you do just two things on the daily log. Type the date and type how much you drank. The tracker fills in the rest for you. The percent of your goal, the change from yesterday, and a color-coded badge that reads goal met or behind. There's an optional column for what you drank and a note when a pattern is worth remembering. The dashboard is where it pays off. Days log, your average, the percent of days you actually hit your goal, and your current and longest streaks, because a streak is the thing that quietly keeps you going. Underneath, a bar chart lays out any month, day by day, and a This Week reading tracks your last 7 days against your goal. Every number updates itself. The Insights tab is the longer view. It shows your average for each day of the week, and the shortest bar is the day to watch. It breaks down each recent month and flags your best and lowest days. This is where you stop guessing and actually see the shape of the habit. Prefer Google Sheets? You don't import anything. Open the link in your download, click Make a Copy, and the whole tracker lands in your drive. Every formula and the live dashboard already set up and tested. The same file works natively in Excel and LibreOffice too. Here's the part that matters. This is a file you own, not a subscription app. No monthly fee, no ads, no account. Nothing watching your habits, and it won't disappear if some service shuts down. Your history stays with you for as long as you want it. The hydration tracker is an instant download on Ardent Workshop. Buy it once, and it's yours to keep. Spend 2 minutes on setup and start logging today's water. Links are in the description.